Hi guys, Mia here from TRIBESOFKIN. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing blue box braids. I'm gonna actually be doing knotless style, so knotless blue box braids. Check out how my hair looks right now. I had it in bento knots, and I'm gonna start from the back. So I took the two out from the back because that's where we're gonna start. First, we have to, you guessed it, cut the hair because it's super long. Let me show you. And this hair is available in our Etsy shop. We have this color available right now. Head over there, check it out. Are gonna feather it a little bit so that the ends are tapered. Everyone is going crazy for knotless. And so the difference between knotless and just regular or knotted or regular way is that the regular way with knots, you take the amount of hair that you need in the beginning and you start with all of it and you braid it all the way down and it forms a knot in the beginning. But with the knotless, you start by braiding your own hair and then you feed in the hair as you go. So it's sort of like feeding cornrows, and it's a lot more time consuming, but it does give you the natural look like it's growing from your scalp. We could get into the pros and cons of the two, but we can we're gonna save that for another video. So let's get started with this knotless braids. I'm going to show you the difference between knotless and knotted. So this is going to be a knotted braid, so you can see how it's different from the knotless. So with the knotted, you would just take the hair, the amount you need in the beginning, and go right in. And so this is what the knotted looks like, and this is what the knotless look like. Now you can see the difference. Do you see the difference? Comment below and let me know if you see the difference. But I wanted to just quickly show you guys what the difference is, because a lot of people are confused about knotless. A lot of people are asking for knotless braids and don't even know what exactly knotless means. So this is the difference. There's a knot right here in the beginning because I just started with all the hair I needed, as opposed to the knotless where you start with your natural hair and you gradually add the hair. So it's skinny at the roots, and then it bulbs, it gets a little bigger in the middle, and then it thins back out towards the end. So with that being said, let's undo this and continue. Guys, we are finally done! Yay! I'm so excited. I worked until it got dark. I turned on the light. So excuse this video, if the lighting is a bit off, I worked all day into the night and I'm finally done with the royal blue box braid. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please be sure to hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for coming along on this journey of blue box braids. I'm so happy that I'm finally done. I just have to dip it and I'm gonna do that off camera. I hope you like the braids. Comment below and tell me how much you like the knotless royal blue box braids. So all in all, I used 5 packs of hair cut in half. I love how light they feel. I think that's why everyone loves knotless so much, because they're really light on your head and they look natural-ish, you know, like they're growing out of your scalp. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. Enjoy!